Hi everyone, today I'm not gonna make video about the exercise, about workout, but today I'm gonna make video about makeup, what the daily makeup that I wear every morning, like every time, every weekday when I want to go to work, what the it's like fast. I don't know how to say it in English. It's like not like it's not like a very long time, take long time. It's not like that. It's very easy makeup that I wear before I went to work, before I do my activity every weekday, not makeup to go to the party. So let's check it out.
The first thing that I have to do, that I have to wear is like I have to primer, and I confuse which one I have to wear. Maybe I'm gonna wear the illuminating face primer. So
See my face look like shiny, bright like a diamond.
So the next I'm gonna use the Kate Popular for the last liquid. They say new color. I don't know if it or not. Let's try. You can see my face of like a dry skin, a lot of dry skin because I do home peeling like 2 days ago. It's gonna be like this, but after a few weeks my face is not like this anymore. It's because peeling effect.
So the next is like a contour, but actually I never do the contour in my face, but I'll try.
So what you do to make it a little smooth, you just pop. Instead of my beauty blender, I just wear one for all. But maybe today I'm gonna shopping and I wanna buy more. So then we use the BB cream. Not BB cream, a BB powder. We can try. So why I make my face like a more darker than my real skin? Because I don't want to look more bright. So I wear like a BB powder, a little bit dark.
For eyebrow, I don't know how to do that, but I just follow my original eyebrow. So don't follow me because I don't know how to do that. So this is my favorite tab, that shadow. I like to do that. So I'm gonna make a little bit silver underneath. It's like I wear in this area.
In the eyes, I'm gonna wear sorry, I thought I already pressed the recording, but it's not. I'm sorry. So in the under eye, I'm gonna wear the same color first, but I'll wear the small brush. Then make all the smooth. Then in the eye, you wear like a more dots than the first shadow. I'm gonna use like a toothy, but it's all the dots. Look at this color. So it's gonna be all like this. So what's the next? We make very smooth with a big brush, like this, to make a little bit look natural. Okay.
So this is my favorite, also my favorite step. You make highlight in the middle of eye, like in the corner, like this. I think right now it will look better. So the next, I'm gonna do eyeliner. So I'm not gonna make like a full eyes eyeliner, maybe only outside of the corner of my eyes, like a little things a little bit here. So like this, and then pull it out before we make a mascara. We gonna make a shade for nose. So the next step is after you finish with the eyes, we're gonna move to the lips. First of all, I'm gonna do curving for my lips to make my lips a little bit volume.
So I prefer to use shower tilbury, and I'm gonna wear Beach Perfect color.
So like this, and for the glossy, I'm wearing Sushi from Canterbury. So the last but not least, I'm gonna wear mascara because I don't like and I don't know how to wear fast lashes, but I'm gonna try. But if I cannot do that, I'm gonna wear mascara for the last. So the natural look looks like this, but I wanna do collective a little bit because in my lips this part I'm not fully. I think it's not too bad, but I love this look.
So you can see my face is a little bit bold. It's not natural anymore, but I feel like this. Right now I wanna do something with my hair. You can see my hair, it's so messy. I'm gonna use iron to make a little bit curly or wave. I'll use a Banti straightener.
So this is my finished look. I like it. It's my favorite classic. See you in the next video. Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Makasih.